People are going viral by following this tutorial. Except me. So today, I'll show you a simple trick to create a mirror watermark with your name for your videos. To make a mirror watermark with your name, you can use any editing app, but I'm going to use InShort because honestly, CapCut is too expensive, bro. First, open your editing app and go to the photo edit section. Choose a blank canvas, then select a light green background. Now type your name and adjust it the way you like. Once it looks good, export the image. After your video is ready, add that image to your video. Then go to background remover and use the color picker. Don't remove the green, remove the white color instead. Export the video. Now import that exported video again. Crop the extra empty areas, then use the background remover again to remove the green color. Finally, adjust the watermark wherever you want in your video. And boom, your mirror watermark is ready. And if you want the CapCut Pro version, make sure to subscribe.